Emilonkan, bàbá Emilonkan, Emilonkan, bàbá Emilonkan. Ẹ ṣáà make sure pé ẹ̀ ń ríṣu jẹ, ẹ dẹ̀ ń jẹyin. Ọba lè bẹ ṣe ọbẹ̀ ata náà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, kò yẹ nísìn. Emilonkan pẹ̀lú corn beef. Bàbá Emilonkan. This is my own lunch. Èyí ni 27 àbí? Friday, Jímọ̀ Olóyin. Jímọ̀ Olóyin. Continue to be saying you don't want Yoruba nation. As long as you are also enjoying, in your own Nigeria. No problem. Farmers must be able to go to farm. I don't want to make my egg follow. No. Emilonkan. We don't want Yoruba nation. We don't want Yoruba nation. We want Nigeria. I no go fit chop this one. This one don't go. I love the corn beef stew. And I could come warm am with apple juice. Elulon tashu nisin in Nigeria. Elulon tashu. Continue to be saying you don't want Yoruba nation. You campaign. We told you, don't campaign for any election again in Nigeria. Nigeria is not working. You say, Emilonkan, Baba Emilonkan. Come and join me. Join me, Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. This is my own brunch. I'll come back for this later again. Then later, I still get plenty. Emilonkan. Odete come by you. So make sure that Tinubu is able to stabilize the economy for the next 4 years so that every household can be able to eat 3 square meal, security, intact, welfare, education, and everything will be fine. No problem.